What is up, guys? Back with another video, and today my arm is glitched and I'm gonna be building a house here in Animal Company with the new building items, you could say. So yeah, let's get into it. First, I obviously have to grab a thing of goop. It's perfect. A chair. I don't have many of the building materials unlocked, but I have the plank and the metal sheet metal, which should be enough to build a house. So, I'm just going to build it right here. Ooh, God. Alright, but I have to remember my main block, like the main thing I'm building off of. So what I like to do, yes, I did steal this from the Apollo video, but, gears. I'm going to put a glow stick on there so I remember, which one to start building off of. So first, I'm just gonna get, I think I'm gonna do four pieces of wood as, my base. What just happened? These things are super duper glitchy. I gotta make that better. Oh my God, I'm so bad at this. Oh my God, why am I so bad? Oh my God, brother. Okay, that's good enough right there. That's good enough. Let me grab, another one, real quick. Plop her down right here. Okay, hold the phone. I think I'm gonna have to go over here. It'd be better if I'm over here. Why is it moving? I'm not even touching it. Alright. Yep. This is so hard to do. Alright, yep. Got it down. I see one more over there. So, just... That's scary. That's a little bit of scary, Harry. It's a little bit scary, Harry. Oh, yep, I already have it. Alright, you know what? Alright, that's good. That's good. Ooh, wait. Kinda got a hole here in the middle. Hold her up. Hold her up. Same thing. Is there an invisible surface there? No, there's not. Oh, I can always just glue it right there. Alright, that's a better start, I guess. That works. I'm gonna use that. That works for sure. But now I need to make the walls. Also, I forgot how expensive these building materials are. 2,500. Like, bro, come on. They don't need to do this. They don't need to make them this expensive. Hold up. Alright. Oh my goodness. No. My God. I have to redo this. There we go. There we go. Alright. There we go. So, oh, whoa. There we go. That's much better. It's much better. I'm a very amateur goop builder, so don't judge. I am very bad at this. I need my goop. I should have some here already. Put it down right there. And then build our good old wall right here. Man, I could do this better. Alright, that's, oh my god, no wonder it's even the same way. There we go. That works, I guess. But I am still so bad at this. Alrighty. There we go. That works. That was probably the best one I've done so far. Whoa. That was scary. Alright, but this is actually coming along pretty well. Whoa! Not right now. Not today, Bobby. I have to build this, Bobby. Also, guys, I did forget to say, while I'm building this, go follow my Twitch. I just started streaming, and I'm trying to, grow my Twitch account. I'm a new streamer. So, yeah. It'd be just so nice of y'all to go follow my Twitch. Honestly, make my day. I have 1 follower because I literally just started today. I started like 2 hours ago, and I've streamed 3 times. That's gonna be my entrance right here. Ooh, that's scary. Never mind, it's not gonna be my entrance. I actually have to put this on here correctly. Maybe one of the corners would be my entrance, yeah. There we go. I don't know. Some place is gonna be my entrance, but it'd just be so nice of y'all to go follow my Twitch. I'm also new to Twitch, so I'm really kind of bad at doing what I'm doing on there, but oh my god. Okay, it's gooped on. Not very well, but it's gooped on. Alright, that's all. Also, I need to grab it before it despawns. Alrighty. Wow, I'm on a quest too. This is lagging so bad. Do need to plug in my headset. Forgot to plug in my headset, before I started making this video. Forgot to charge it earlier. So. Also, I'm pretty sure I already told you guys this, but I don't know if I did. I am getting a Quest 3 for Christmas, so my video quality is going to be much better, most likely. I mean, why wouldn't it be? It'd be less lag, it'd be less of all the bad stuff. So, if you guys are excited for that. What the? There we go. Whoa. Kind of popped up. Hold up. Hold up, wait a minute. There we go. There she is. She's a beaut. I just need the 2 walls on the side. Oh, and I need to make a roof too. That's going to be so painstakingly long. But hey, that's alright because, I'm making a video. I like making videos. Videos are honestly super fun to make. The only reason I actually make videos is because they're fun to make. Like, I have like 64 subscribers and I average like 4 views per video. I would have quit if I didn't like making videos. But I love making videos. I would have quit a long time ago if I didn't like making videos. a long time ago. A really long time ago, I would have quit. But because I like making videos so much, I just keep going. It doesn't matter what views I get. I just like making videos a lot. Yeah. There we go. Alright. I'm a amateur builder, but I still did it. Pretty good. I tried to make an entrance. Here. We can leave. Yeah, we can leave this one off. We can make this a part of our roof. Yeah. This piece of goop. Get up here on top of the roof. On top of the little planks. And, plop this thingy down. Here, hold on. I'm not gonna get it perfect this time. I just wanna put it on there. Oh, bro. It's off balanced. So it's hard to do anything. Oh my god, this is so off balance. No, no. This is so hard. No, and I just separated it. Alright, well, I'm not usually the one to give up, but I'm gonna have to, I think. This is so hard to do. Move this over there. Yep. Alright, well, actually, instead, I can just make this a ship. This right here. This 2-buyer. It's 2 pieces, 1 ship. Alright, so I can actually go grab this metal piece over here. And, you know, I'm trying to keep all my goop while doing this. So, you know. I want to do this. Alright. I'm just going to throw this on. And then throw that there. Alright, my ship has been created. My house or whatever. Ship house. I just got flashbacks of watching the Apollo videos, so I said ship. But my house has been somewhat created. I did it, so hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Well, later.